Hey peeps and princesses, it's Jaja Minx here. Today I'm going to be doing a little update video. So I'm going to publish like 2 videos a day. Hopefully I can get that done because I'm a little busy. But since this is summer hauls, I think I can get it done. I'm so happy that I finally got my YouTube account to work. So later on today I will be doing a Lego Friends Supermarket review because I just did it yesterday. It's already built up. Sorry about that. But yeah. And I may do a couple more Minecraft videos, but this channel is going to be based mostly on like toys like LPS, MLP, and probably Lego. So, yeah. And yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about today. So sorry if it's like a 2-minute video. Wait, not 2 minutes. Sorry if this is like a 1-minute video for you guys, and oh my god, it's nearly been a minute. Never mind. Sorry if this is a minute or a half for you guys, but yeah. It takes like an hour to upload a 2-minute video. Why? Yeah, this is literally just me ranting on my iPad, so I'll see you later. Bye, peeps and princesses. See ya.
Meow meow.